everybody, it's me, and today I'm going to be unboxing a little dog, and I don't know, let's find out once we open it, but first we're going to open these bags up. Let's start with this one. Okay. Still something inside it. Oh, we ripped that bag. Who's gonna be inside this? Let's cut. Let's find out who's inside this one. It's Rubble on the double. He's so cute. Now find out the next blind bag. Look at the next one. Now we don't need to take out this blind bag. And inside Everest! It's time to unbox this doggy, and who is it going to be? Let's find out. Cut that open. Yeah. And on this. Good. Finally. Whoa! That was good. Let's find out who's inside the bag. Nothing in this one. Nothing in this one. We got Tracker! Let's open the bag up and get him out. Whoa, let's cut him. Let's get in. Cut the plastic open. Let's rip it up. Let's get Tracker. So cool. Here's Tracker. Let's cut off his labels. Now. Yay. We cut off his labels. Let's see what's inside this. Paw Patrol card. Now, you just need to peel it there from Tracker. He looks just the same as the other pups. Aww. They look so cute too. in the box. But let's pop open these ones for fun. Let's pop. Pop. Next one. Done. Now we've popped all of them open. Let's pop this one. And then this one on the other side. Let's put them down. And let's pop this. Today we got Rubble, Everest, and Tracker. Now put in the comments which one you like best. Is it Tracker, Everest, or Rubble? Do you like Tracker from a box and a bag? Do you like Everest from some newspaper? Or do you like Rubble from some newspaper? There's one Tracker bat here. Is it a sticker? I guess not, but he's still so cute. So are the other two. Yay. If you want me to give you more of these little Paw Patrol videos, put in the scribes and I'll give you some more. And you like Tracker with the green hat, some yellow eyes, brown fur, a black nose, white fur, and green outfit, and yellow collar, and a yellow little pocket. Do you like him, or do you like Everest with the green and teal hat with orange? Do you like her with the teal eyes, the black nose, with the purple skin, the white skin, the outfit, the white paws and the white legs? Her, or do you like Rubble with the yellow or orange hat, the white and brown outfit, some eyebrows, a black nose, a black collar, white feet, and brown paws and yellow outfit? Which one of you do you like? Tell me in the comments which one you would like best. I'm going to cut each of these bags and put them in. So, let's do that. Let's cut this one first to put Rubble inside. Let's open this back. Well, maybe not. but they still are super cute. Little Trekker, little Everest, and little Rubble. So cute. Bye.